I have some nice, good industries today. I am very excited.
Quite
also, and she has got one nice industry related to my jewelry industry also, artwork. Most of them have communicated with me on the phone and met personally. So I am into jewelry past 25 years, and my journey started accidentally when I got a job in West Indies. So तभी से jewelry मेरे पीछे है, prints, like reputed companies abroad as well as in. So, but my main thing is I have been doing marketing and sales. So that is my foray, main area. So that finally I started this VFox marketing, thinking now I'll work for somebody. I grown 5 times, 10 times for them. Now I'll start my own company. Actually, our plan is to have 25 to 30 best industries, and then it is very difficult to grow in a such. So we should have some nice industries. That is my target, to have part of Bombay, maybe at least 10 to 15 prime locations. And we cannot do alone. We will need your help. And somebody wants to take host, they want to take area and start their own group. We are offering franchisee because this group is about to close. We are nearly
some issues which you want to discuss, so we can.
And for the past 3 months, I've done a few shows and I've done some good shows. It's just that because I'm doing acting and this, I'm not able to make a solid goal towards my acting. It's just side में हो रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा है. So I really make that goal in my life. I don't know what's stopping me. It's just too many things happening at the same time.
Okay, so I
would really like that.
Right. So let's do the presentation. Now the SMART goal is right. Now S stands for specific. Right? So we all have to be very specific as to what goal, and that applies for everyone over here in this room, right? That the goals have to be specific. Okay. The second one is M, which is include the criteria to track progress and success, which is measurable.
Okay, so I want to start putting more focus on my everything and anchor.
All right.
And I think that is my specific goal.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we move to the next point, that is measurable. So how many events would you want to do in a certain time frame?
Okay, I think we can keep it at 10 events in the next 3 months. I would like to, and I want to get better with each.
Okay.
So I am going to record each of these events and going to analyze them to track my progress.
Okay.
So that way.
So we are clear on the first 2 points. That is, specifics, if it's measurable.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Now the third point is A, which is achievable. Now this is a psychological point. If that you can achieve it, think before you answer. Okay.
I feel that everything I've done up till now has led me to becoming this person who can stand in front of thousands of people. Achievable for me.
Right.
Yes.
And you get it why I said it is more psychological than putting into physical activity.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes. I believe.
So everyone in this room basically, first of all, they have to psychologically go through, do a certain evaluation.
To acting, there were times when I had to break a few of my, I was offered certain jobs where they were not aligning with my core values, and that I have rejected those things so many times. When it comes to anchoring, and especially corporate anchoring and conferencing and all of that, I'm a person who is a speaker.
Okay.
So I think it is aligning with my priorities, my path.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Now to come to the last point, which is a T, right? Which is time bound. Okay. So can you set a clear deadline or time frame for completion of the task?
10 events in 3 months, in 2 months. I think 2 months is going to give me a little bit more jitters. It might, but I'm confident about 3 months.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So basically, since you can set a certain framework like this one, right? So almost all your answer you're going to get, as to if you have certain doubts, if you have, this is called a SMART goal setting, right? So first and foremost, you're going to write your goal statement as to what your, and 3 actionable points which would counter the pain points.
So in goal setting, Dhaval, I would like to actually add here because I have a manifestation coach
Please.
and she helps me write my goal statements in such. She, like for example, my target is 3 months corporate events in
Great.
3 months, and I did justice to them and I learned so much from them.
Right.
I'm so grateful.
So that would be your goal statement.
Goal statement,
Right?
yeah.
Going further.
Done.
Okay. Lovely.
Done.
So I hope that this is facing any kind of issues doing that particular, doing the 10 events, right?
Hmm.
So you can highlight those 3 points, in 3 points, what you think could cause an issue,
Hmm.
right? And then if you know, like, okay, this,
One of my pain points is that my visibility is a little compromised because my Instagram page is full of my acting work, then my anchoring comes in, it becomes a clear feedback कि सब कुछ एक ही में है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Right.
So that is one pain point, visibility. Second pain point is network. अभी मैं इन सब के सामने गई नहीं हूँ अपना प्रोफाइल लेके,
Right.
तो दूसरा वो है, लगता नहीं है ऐसा, बट थोड़ा सा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस है. तो ये मेरे 3 पेन पॉइंट्स हैं और इसका एक्शन होगा कि मैं एक नया इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल बनाऊं जिस पे मैं बस अपना एंकरिंग का कंटेंट डालूं और
Correct.
उसको मैं एनरिच बस एज एन एंकर ही उसको पोर्ट्रे करूं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड पॉइंट 3 इज मैं चैट जीपीटी और क्लॉड को लेकर
we are going, you all have the SMART goal settings, right? So I would just want you to take time, fill it up how best you can. You can do it afterwards also, you don't have to do it right now. So which will put certain things into perspective, and we will also have it on record that, you know, this could be the issue, which would help us to then help you later, right?
So when you do this, ये आपके पर्सनल, आपके स्पिरिचुअल, आपके प्रोफेशनल, so that you can understand how to do this in every aspect of your life. Go ahead.
का भी काम करते हैं और इंटीरियर में पूरा लॉक एंड की का प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि फर्नीचर हो गया, पेंटिंग, फॉल सीलिंग, इलेक्ट्रिक, प्लम्बिंग, पूरा रिनोवेशन में. तो रिसेंटली मैं BNA मेंबर भी हूँ और पूरा बैंकिंग सेक्टर से भी हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, जैसे कि नाबार्ड है, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा है, इंडियन ओवरसीज है. ये बैंक में मेरा एम्पेनलमेंट है. तो ओल जो है मैक्सिमम 1 ईयर में 1 करोड़ का मेरा बिजनेस जो है, मेरा टारगेट है कि हर महीने 1 लीड तो इंटीरियर का जो, यानी समझो अगर एक साथ 2 या 3 आ जाते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड है. यानी मैक्सिमम जो है टारगेट है कि मैं इंटीरियर का प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट कर सकूँ. 12 यानी मैक्सिमम रखा है. तो
Have
So I'm
created.
extremely grateful to have formed my Kettle Saga family of tea lovers across Mumbai and India by 2027. That is my
Lovely.
target.
Excellent.
These are Kettle Saga teas across to those who understand and appreciate good quality teas and travel around the world for them. To do tea events and have interactions and conversations over chai. This is my
चाय पे चर्चा.
goal. Yeah, chai pe charcha. So how do you measure your progress? 2026 end, have our office fully functional with 30 events. That is another suggestion which came from Wikidi. 2027 reach realistic, absolutely yes, and we are already working towards the targets. Why is this goal important to you? Well, this is unorthodox, but yes, this is my partner. So for both of us, our love for tea drives all our goals. That's
Truly important.
how it is.
Yeah.
And what's your deadlines 1 year from now, which is December 2027? 3 pain points. Number 1, commercial nature of tea, which is, as I told you, that there's so many commercial companies, but we are going only to niche clientele and only to people like who love their teas and who want to explore good teas is where we are focusing. We don't want to go commercial. We don't want to go and compete with the big companies. We're not there. We don't want to do it. We are a homegrown brand and we want to stay knowledge about our products and get people thinking about the tea they drink every day. This is the way we counter it, because unless you know your tea, you will not understand why mine is priced higher than the others, right? So I can only explain, right? I mean, as human beings, we all are price sensitive. I run my house so I can understand. But you need to understand what you're paying for. Goal is that we will explain to you. Beyond that, it's again your call. Simply your call, right? then getting across to the right clients what networking works, what needs to be used. This is a big pain point for us because we've been trying various things. Some have worked, some haven't, to be very honest. But we are trying various platforms and see, some are working and some are not. So we are still exploring a lot of platforms. But
and curator, and our company's name is Artlog, and my co-founder, who is my husband also, he is an auctioneer, art auctioneer. So what we do is that individual collectors, we help the individual collectors to build up their collection based on their requirements, and their requirements can be different from one another, because I just, so that I can see you also here. Thank you so much. There's individual collectors that they can be just for they want to wake up in the morning and feel good about it, looking at a very nice painting. The matter for them, that's why they're building up their collection. Or, to be honest, they want to show off with a high, big ticket artwork. And fifth, as an investment. So, because art is like a share market. There are blue chip artists, mid cap, and the emerging. So based on their requirements, we help to build their collection. We source the works, we first understand what they want, and accordingly we source the work and we sell them and help them in building their collection. Second is exhibition management. So we collaborate with art galleries and we do the curation, co-curate with them. Whether it's in Chennai, Bombay, Delhi, we do that. And third is the art auctioneering. Auctioneering, what you see in movies, it's completely bakwas because it doesn't happen that. So hotels and all. Now, the pain point is for hotels, it has to get involved.
Right.
So that is one with whom maybe we are not connected to. So that is one. Third is not that much of a pain point. That is, maybe they don't have that budget, separate budget for, they may have crores and crores of rupees for other things, but art pe invest karna may not be there. There are hotels. Taj is the big. There are some of the Marriotts, Hyatts, but not all of them are.
Life insurance should be always there till you leave.
Yeah.
बट हम दो गंदे सवाल इंश्योरेंस एजेंट को पूछते हैं. कौन से दो गंदे सवाल पूछते हैं? किसी और को पूछते हो? आपने कभी अपनी खुद की पॉलिसी चेक की है? हमारी लाइफ यही है कि हमें हमारा कितना वैल्यू होना चाहिए नहीं मालूम है. उस हिसाब से इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं है और लाइफ लॉन्ग भी नहीं है. इंश्योरेंस शुड बी लाइफ लॉन्ग. इसमें से कितने लोग में से एक जन मेरे को पार्टिसिपेट करे तो मैं यहाँ किसी की वैल्यूएशन निकाल के देता हूँ. यहाँ पे एक वैल्यूएशन निकालता हूँ. एक बंदे का सर
राकेश
लेना नहीं है, चिंता मत करना. मैं आज तक किसी को फोन नहीं करता क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा कैलकुलेशन है विच विल हेल्प यू फॉर. सर शादी हो गई सर? गलत सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ लेकिन सर शादी में कितना खर्चा हुआ था?
ऑलमोस्ट क्या लगा 12 lakhs.
12 with gold or without gold? Understand my question, sir. Situation था. एक बच्चे, अगर एक ही बच्चा है, इनका 3 है, मैं 3 के हिसाब से कैलकुलेट करूंगा, लेकिन आपके हिसाब से एक बच्चे के पीछे जस्ट अ ग्रेजुएट, नो MBA, नो.
अभी तो 5th standard में है तो ऑलमोस्ट जाएगा.
इनके पीछे पकड़ो. हाँ, तो
साल का ना
36 lakhs. Sir, and the average male lives up to 72, female averagely lives up to 75. ये डेटा है, कॉमन डेटा है. ठीक है, कितना पैसा चला जाता है आपके हिसाब से?
20 lakhs के ऊपर.
सर हम लोग 60 के बाद कितना प्रीमियम भरते हैं सर? 10 लाख का कुछ आइडिया है?
10 लाख का आराम से 50 लाख का 50,000 तक जाता है.
इसलिए आप लोगों को समझा रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना? मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये लोग ही फिगर बोल रहे हैं.
सही है.
हम बोल रहे हैं.
तो मेरे हिसाब से एक फैमिली में मेडिकल के पीछे मिनिमम 25 लाख रुपया चला जाता है. 6 महीना उधर रख के फिर वापस 3 महीना इधर आ जाना.
तो कितना सेव करना चाहिए आपने बोला?
अभी बोला
बता फिगर बताता हूँ. मुंबई में आज एवरेज मुंबई में मिडिल क्लास ले लो, कोई भी अपना खुद का क्लास के हिसाब से पर मंथ कितना खर्चा होता है, ठीक है, नहीं भी करता तो आपको चाहिए 12 लाख एवरी ईयर टू 2 पड़ेगा, और इंटरेस्ट रेट अगर 5% होगा तो 70 के ऊपर जी गए 75 तो बागबान होना ही है। स्कूटर बाइक सबका इंश्योरेंस है, जितना वैल्यू है उसके हिसाब से है।
मेरा
बाइक का वैल्यू के हिसाब से इंश्योरेंस लिया है ना,
हाँ
तो 4.5 करोड़ का इंश्योरेंस लिया है क्या? बीवी को बच्चे को आई लव यू बोलते हैं रोज, पता है, झूठ बोलते हैं क्योंकि घर से वापस पापा, पर मैं बार बार ये मेरा स्क्रिप्ट सुनो, पूछो
सही
सेम स्क्रिप्ट, नो चेंज, मेरा स्क्रिप्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं है ना। 3 आदमी का नाम नहीं मालूम है, रोज आई लव यू बोलते हो, ठीक है, बच्चे के लिए, बीवी के लिए, घर वापस ही नहीं गया तो कौन देगा पैसा? है कोई? झूठा नहीं लेते, बाकी सब अपने जेब भरने के लिए आते हैं।
सही है।
और वो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट देके जाता है? 20 साल वाला, 25 साल वाला,
15 साल वाला लिए ना, मैंने वही हो गया।
सर-
बैंक वाले ने मेरे को
हाँ।
आदित्य बिरला का दिया था प्रोडक्ट,
सर
एवरी ईयर 30,000 वाला।
आज भी आप चेंज कर सकते हो
नहीं, अभी हो गया, अभी लास्ट प्रीमियम में अभी 26 में।
सर। 4 करोड़ का लेना है, वो जो है वो रहने दो। 4.5 करोड़ कहाँ से आएगा? 4.5 नहीं कर सकता हूँ, चलो अभी मैं 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ कर सकता हूँ, कर दो। एंड व्हाट इज योर एज? 40। मेरे को नहीं लगता है 30,000 में तुम्हारा आ सकता है 1 से 1.5 करोड़, 1.5 करोड़ तक तो आ जाएगा। आपको
क्या साल का?
साल का। आपको मालूम है,
कितना साल?
आपको सबको एक चीज बता देता हूँ, ये लोग नहीं करते ना। अब अदर साइड ऑफ द टाउन देख लीजिए, नहीं मिला है, फिर भी दोनों बच्चे उसके जाने के बाद 5 गुना ज्यादा पैसा वाले। हम क्या सोचते हैं? सोच लो, ये वर्सेस हम कहाँ पे है। क्या 7 साल 10 साल भरने की क्षमता है, भर दो।
सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन, जब आप पे करते हैं ये इंश्योरेंसेस के लिए, सो what is there a growth in that amount and what is the percentage of that?
See, let me tell you one more thing. The type of plan, what you are saying growth. Are we taking insurance for a growth?
Okay.
First, we have to make our mind clear.
That is for security.
It's a form only for security.
Security.
But you said, so it doesn't even counter inflation.
Not term.
So 1.5-2 करोड़ का अभी ले लूँ क्षमता है suppose for the next 10 years.
Yes.
तो what is the kind of thing that I have to pay? क्षमता जानने के लिए मुझे
हाँ,
कितना देना
वो मैं आपसे 1-to-1 में डिस्कशन करूंगा, कोई इश्यू नहीं है। लेकिन सबसे पहले हमको दिमाग में ये डालना जरूरी है, मेरा ये प्रेजेंटेशन चालू नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी मैं, कितने जनरेशन से बॉम्बे में, आपका फर्स्ट जनरेशन जब आया था बॉम्बे में तो कोलाबा में आया था, सेकेंड जनरेशन आया तो बांद्रा में आया, थर्ड जनरेशन अंधेरी, फोर्थ बोरेली, फिफ्थ आ जाएगा।
विरार पालीगढ़।
You know why this reason is? This is the exact reason. People don't understand the insurance. Insurance people have sold an investment plan, and at the end you all suffer. आज हमारे किसी के भी घर में किसी का, I have such a kind of a system. I am on overriding. He knows.
And if I want to buy it for my mother?
You can. Till today also possible. लोगों को क्या लगता है यार 65 में मैं लाख रुपया प्रीमियम भर रहा हूँ, 50 लाख का अभी
To start early.
for her age could not be more than 25,000 for 1 crore.
How old am I?
Whatever. See, I should not say in front of everyone.
सही है।
The youngest of the crowd.
Your mind or not. But if you have any query within your family circle, my job is not to sell the insurance. I am in the insurance industry. I make you people in a such a way that you only earn commission because you know for Mediclaim age group 50 plus, I'm just giving an example. Sir, कितना प्रीमियम आता है मेडिकल?
मेरा अभी 50,000 जा रहा है
Hospitalized.
That you also deal with that?
Yes. Now, हम लोग ये बिल्डिंग में, आप जो घर में रहते हो, मैं आई एम कमिंग टू योर प्लेस, योर ओन प्लेस विच यू हैव परचेज, और प्लेन क्रैश हुआ ऊपर और बिल्डिंग खत्म हो गया, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? क्या मिलेगा? आप बोलते हो ना मेरा घर है, मैं 5 करोड़ का घर लिया, 4 करोड़ का इंटीरियर किया, तो इसमें 400 रुपया मिलेगा, क्यों बेचेंगे? ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू यूज जीपे? हाथ ऊपर करना। कितनी बार आपने देखा है कि फ्रॉड होता है? होता है? 1500 रुपये में।
But he didn't know what he is going to end up with. So he switched on his glass, नीचे किया।
नहीं करोगे ना, तो 1 लाख तक का कवरेज सिर्फ कितने में मिलता है? 1500 रुपये में। क्यों नहीं करते हो? पता नहीं। Agent also don't sell to you. You know why? 40 रुपया मिलने वाला है।
Suggest if somebody has a Samsung 40-50,000 or 1.5 lakh Apple, they should do insurance. It is what
ये मेरा गूगल का है। आप
1,000-2,000
सब डिफरेंट नेटवर्किंग में जाते हो, कौन से इंश्योरेंस एजेंट ने आपको ये समझाया?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना सर, बड़े बड़े फाइनेंशियल प्लानर्स, एडवाइजर्स, you know all that, they never talk about this small insurance.
सर 1995 से कितने एडवाइजर आज सिस्टम की? I work with Tata, I work with Max New York Life, and lastly with Kotak, and still I'm doing it for every company.
But I've seen all these insurance agents.
It's because of the commission.
Yeah. And if somebody gives cheaper, you say इसमें ये नहीं है, इसमें ये नहीं है, इसका ये फर्क है, इसमें
Agent goes up to 45% and therefore they sell the product which they should not.
Right.
That's exactly what I'm saying. So people like us who are not into, don't know the subject or not into finance at all.
Some of the banks
How
also
would you
does
even
the
know
same
exactly
thing.
something like this exists?
Even if banks, the banks are selling insurance, they do the
But
same thing.
now this is the reason why I think, like, you know, all of us should have should go
At
and
least
look at
मैं
our
एक sincere
documents.
request करूंगा आप सबको, जितने जनों ने सुना है, कम से कम एक बार आप मेरे साथ 1 घंटे का 1-to-1
Yes.
करो, which will give you more clear picture for yourself,
Correct.
and then you decide. You work with the agent you are working. I have no.
You know, it is so important
This is
right
actually
now.
this is why I wanted Jayesh bhai to do a presentation. In fact, because he couldn't make it last time.
Why today I am working? I should not actually. After my retirement, 65 तक मेरा हो गया, मैंने मेरा arrangement इस तरह से कर दिया, but एक इंसिडेंस ऐसा हुआ, my wife has fallen down from 7th floor. In both the leg, she has a rod. और उस वक्त जो खर्चा हुआ ना, you cannot think of it. तो मैं, मेरे से जो बीती है ना, कम से कम आप लोगों को नहीं जाए. One night 22 lakhs. And the same doctor, due to some reason, come to know that I am shifted immediately to Juhu. I said, sir, आप कांदिवली में मेरे को 22 लाख बोल रहे, जुहू पे क्या बोलोगे? I was shocked. उसको बोलता, बेटा तू मानता है ना, तू मतलब जलाराम बापा की मूर्ति थी उसके पास, और वो मेरे पिताजी के डेथ के वक्त लोग ने कम्युनिटी में दिया था, तो उसके पास वो मूर्ति थी, तू इसको मानता है ना? बोला हाँ, इमीडिएट शिफ्ट कर. भारतीय आरोग्य निधि में उसने शिफ्ट किया, सेम ऑपरेशंस ही डिड इट इन 6 lakhs. द बैलेंस मनी ऑलमोस्ट 3.5-4 साल लगे टू रिकवर फ्रॉम द एंटायर प्रॉब्लम. आज उसको फोन करके बोलो यहाँ आ जाए, वो आ जाएगा.
प्रॉपर्टी लेना है, बेचना है, रेंटल चाहिए, रीडेवलपमेंट कराना है, वी हैव ग्रुप ऑफ 50 to 55 brokers in Bandra. Then
हम पी लेते हैं, and sadly we are in this.
Insurance वाला, let's see what exactly it is.